Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast without vanilla. First, select a sturdy bread like brioche or challah, about 1 inch thick. Next, prepare your simple yet flavorful batter. Combine 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a shallow dish. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until well blended. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to infuse a delightful aroma and taste into every slice. Now that your batter is ready, it's time to cook. Gently dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, allowing it to soak for just a few seconds on each side. You don't want it too soggy. Next, heat your griddle or skillet over medium heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once melted, place your dipped bread onto the hot surface. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and is cooked through. Hey everyone, quick break from our French toast adventure. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your drinks cold and accessible. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your delicious vanilla-free French toast is now ready to enjoy. For a classic touch, dust each serving with a light coating of powdered sugar. If you prefer more sweetness, a generous drizzle of warm maple syrup is always a fantastic choice. You could also try a homemade fruit compote. For a burst of freshness and color, garnish your plate with an assortment of fresh berries, such as sliced strawberries or plump blueberries. Enjoy your delightful breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.